A very good morning, dear students. 11th graders, I hope you all are good at home. In today's session, we are continuing with chapter 6. Next topic, that is line and spacing between a paragraph. So this topic is on page number 79. So as per the topic, the first question, what do you mean by line break? Line break mean to say, line space. Line space mean to say a space between each line of paragraph. Like 10 lines are written in a document. In between of 10 lines, how much space we want to edit, how much space we want to adjust, that such type of spacing is known as line space. So line space is space created between each line. Now space can be created in different size. It can be a single line space, it can be a multiple line space, or it can be a double line space. Single line space means a one line gap will be there after each line. Multiple line, double line gap will be there in between each line, or more than two lines. And a multiple line means we are giving 3 line, 4 line space between each line. So this type of space is adjusted in a line space. How to adjust the space in a line space? To adjust the space, we will select the text. We will select the paragraph text. Afterward, we will go to the home tab. Home tab is available on your main screen. It is the first tab of your MS Word window. So we will go to select text, then we select home tab option. In home tab option, we will go to the line spacing option. In line spacing, now we need to adjust the spacing before or after each point. It means we have to give the space after each line or before each line. So we have to give the spaces before and after point, and afterward we will press OK. So this is the format to adjust the space between a line. Select text, go to home tab, line spacing option, change before and after line spacing point and press OK. So afterward in each line there will be equal space whatsoever we are adjusting, either it is single line, double line, triple line, 4 line, depend upon your requirement whatsoever formatting you want to apply. Next part is again related to spacing, that is paragraph spacing. A space between two paragraphs is known as paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing can be adjusted before paragraph or after paragraph. So we need to select the paragraph first, select the text first, then go to home tab, line and paragraph spacing option. Afterward add space before or after the paragraph. You will give the space in size format. How much space you want to give? You will give the size like 0.75, 1.25, 2.25. How much space you want to give? You will write add space before and after paragraph and you will press OK. So afterward in each paragraph there will be an equal space just after or before the paragraph. Now come to next part, that is ruler bar. Ruler bar is the symbol that will display the ruler. It means scale that will represent the margin space and identities. That will represent the margin space, that is known as show margins, and indents. Indents means a spacing from left side, a spacing from right side. This is shown by the ruler bar. Ruler bar will be of two types. It can be in horizontal form also and vertical form also. Everybody is looking on that page. These types of ruler bars are given. Here size is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is used to adjust the space from left to right or top to bottom. It will display the space between each page from left side or from top side, from bottom side. It means how much area is occupied by your document. That will be represented by ruler bar. Now, how to modify your document? To modify your document, we can do modification in a page. So we need the option of page layout. We need to change the structure of page. Layout means to say structure. To change the structure, we can perform 4 types of setting. First, we can do the setting for orientation, second for paper size, third for margin space, and fourth for page break. So come to the first point. Orientation means to say page representation. Page will be represented horizontally or vertically. Page will be represent lengthier or wider. So wider and lengthier, or we can speak horizontal or vertical, can be represented by the orientation option. So how to perform the orientation? Orientation option is under page layout. So we will click on page layout tab first. In page layout tab we will go to orientation group. It is a group, it is a tab, and it is a option. We will go to page layout tab, then we will select orientation group. In orientation group we will select one option. We are having two options, landscape or portrait. Landscape mean to say it will be displayed in the wider form. It will be displayed in the wider form, and portrait it will display in the lengthier form. So we will select one option, landscape or portrait, and press OK. Next is page size. Page size we need to adjust because we are having a number of document size. Your paper can be of A2, A3, A4, legal. It can be bond paper, photo paper. So we need to adjust the page size. To adjust the page size, same command will be followed. Just little bit difference is there. Go to the page layout option, then go to the size. In size, a list of different size will be appear. You can select size from that list, either A2, A3, A4, A5, legal paper, bond paper, photo paper. What size you want to select? Select the page size and go to the OK option. Press OK. Your size will be adjusted. Your full document will be displayed on your document window. Next is margin. Margin is a space. How much space you are giving from left side, right side, top side or bottom side. Go to the page layout option, then select margin. Now in margin, by default 6-7 types of margins are available in the drop down list. It will represent 5-6 or 6-7 types of margins by default. 8th option is normal and 9th option is custom margin. Normal is your by default setting. 7-8 types of option you can select anyone. If you want to select either than all these options, you want to select anybody else option, you want to type any other size, in that case go to customize margin. Go to custom margin option. In custom margin option you will type the size, how much size you want to adjust, and then press OK. It means we are having the option of selection, we are having the option of typing the size, and we have by default normal margin size. Last option, that is page break. Page break will divide the page in different parts. Page break can be given by 2-3 formats. Breaks can be given in 2-3 format. One is your page break option. Second break can be of section break, and third break can be of column break. Journal break, that is page break, it will translate the text on next paper. It means suppose you have written any particular document, but after a specific text you want to adjust on the next page. Like take this example, you want to adjust this part on first page, next part on second page. So what will you do? You will bring your cursor at the last position, from where you want to split, from where we want to divide. Bring your cursor on that position, place insertion point, that is cursor. Afterward go to page layout option, then select the breaks option, and out of breaks option you will select the break. Page layout is your tab, it is your group, it is your option. So it will do what it will do. It will display the upper part on first page, next part will go to the next page. Section break will divide the page in two parts. It means it will not send to the next page. It will keep the text on same page, but it will make a partition by a straight line. By a dotted line it will make a partition, that is section break. While column break will divide the page in different columns. 1, 2, 3, it will divide the page in columns. So dear students, in today's session we have completed about different types of spacing like line space, paragraph space. Afterward we have discussed about different types of adjustment for page layout, and in page layout we have discussed about the orientation, size, margin and page break. So in today's session we have covered till this topic. In next video we will meet with next topic, that is shapes and designing of shape. If you are facing any problem in any topic, you can drop your message on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 111 8890. Thank you. Have a nice day.